Welcome to my review of the balance every day. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at this cashback website and see whether it lives up to its promises. If you're someone who loves saving money while shopping, this might just be the platform you're looking for. First off, let me quickly explain what the balance every day is all about. It's a website that offers cashback deals and rewards on a variety of online purchases. You simply shop through their platform, and after making a purchase, you earn a percentage of that back as cashback. It sounds like a great deal, but how does it actually perform in real-world use? Let's dive into that. The process of signing up for the balance every day is pretty straightforward. You'll create an account, browse their available offers, and then follow the steps to shop from participating retailers. The website itself is clean and user-friendly, with all the cashback offers neatly organized. However, I did find that some of the more popular stores were missing, which might be a deal breaker for some users. On the flip side, they have a good range of smaller brands and niche retailers, which can be a plus if you're looking for variety. Now, let's talk about the cashback itself. I've used the balance every day for a few weeks now, and while the process of earning cashback is smooth, it can be a bit slow. The cashback amounts are generally decent, but I noticed that they take a little while to appear in your account, sometimes up to a week or more. Not exactly instant gratification, but it does come through. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of payout, you can choose how you want to receive your cash back, whether through PayPal, gift cards, or other methods. The minimum payout threshold is fairly low compared to other cashback websites, which I found to be a nice touch. However, if you're looking for massive payouts or large percentages, this site might not be the best option for you. The Balance Everyday also offers a referral program, which is a nice bonus if you want to make some extra cash by recommending the site to friends. It's not the most generous referral program out there, but it's still something worth considering if you're planning on sharing the site with others. One thing I will note is that the Balance Everyday's customer support could use some improvement. I had a few questions regarding my cashback balance, and while I did get a response, it took longer than expected. Not a huge issue, but definitely something to keep in mind if you're someone who values quick support. Overall, the Balance Everyday is a solid cashback website with some room for improvement. If you don't mind a bit of a wait for your cashback and aren't looking for the highest rates, it's a decent option to help you save on your online shopping. However, if you're after larger rewards or a more diverse selection of retailers, you may want to look elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.